So we have taken that, and my welcome remarks, I welcome board members and members of the press to this press conference to brief you on our 25th awards night, which will take place, God willing, on 27th of November. The President will brief you on those who have won the awards. And because of the coronavirus, we are not able to hold the awards night for two consecutive years. But this year, we have decided that since the coronavirus issue is almost gone, we are going to hold the awards night at Echo Hotel on 27th November. We thank you for attending this conference, and we look forward to meeting you on that day.
Please permit me to start by thanking you all for honoring our invitation despite your very busy schedules. We really appreciate your support and commitment over the years, indeed over the decades, and continue to count on your usual cooperation, even as we celebrate together yet another edition in our quest to recognize and reward outstanding corporate performance and continuation of our selfless service to the Nigerian capital market over the past 27 years. The performance of our capital market in the first 3 quarters of the year 2022 has been impressive. Against the volatility experienced across global markets, the stock market of Nigerian Exchange Limited, NGX, maintained its positive momentum in the first 9 months of the year, gaining 2.15 trillion naira, thus outperforming global markets. Market capitalization, which opened in 2022 at 22.297 trillion, gained 8.63% to close at 26.451 trillion as at 30th September 2022. Also, the NGX All-Share Index, which opened at 42,716.44, closed at 49,024.16 basis points, appreciating by 14.8%. However, investors in the market have witnessed some challenges, including double-digit inflation, forex scarcity, as well as uncertainty in the global markets, occasioned by the pandemic, high rising inflation, as well as the Russian invasion of Ukraine and its attendant impacts. It is in the light of the above that our esteemed Board of Governors and the Secretariat of Pearl Awards Nigeria have deemed it necessary to update you on activities toward rewarding deserving quoted companies this year for outstanding performances, as we have done annually in the past 27 years. Distinguished members of the press, you will recall that in response to the challenges occasioned by the negative impact of COVID-19 pandemic, Pearl Awards was suspended in the years 2020 and 2021. On behalf of the Governing Board and Secretariat of Pearl Awards Nigeria, I'm pleased to announce that effective from this year, just like as our chairman said, Pearl Awards Nigeria is back, and back with a bang. For the 2022 Pearl Awards, recognitions and awards shall be in 3 main categories as listed below. 1, the main competitive awards category, consisting of sectoral leadership awards, market excellence awards, and the overall highest award, the Pearl of the Nigerian capital market. 2, Honorary Awards category. The Pearl Chief Executive Officer of the Year Award, Outstanding Honorary Award for Capital Market Development, Capital Market Correspondent of the Year Award, as well as Media Award for Capital Market Reporting. 3, the Special Recognition Awards category. Here we have the Issuing House of the Year Award, Stockbroking Firm of the Year Award, and the Corporate Governance Award. The 2022 Awards Night, which is being packaged as the 25th year edition, promises to be as glamorous and very likely more as previous editions. The event is being packaged with special features and innovations to be a remarkable night of excellence and glamour, where captains of commerce and industries and major stakeholders of our economy will savor the joy of rewarding excellent operational performance and of quoted companies and other capital market players in Nigeria. The nominees and ultimate award winners in the main competitive awards category, as in past years, were determined utilizing 9 performance indices, namely turnover growth, return on equity, earnings yield, share price appreciation, dividend cover, dividend yield, net asset ratio, dividend growth, and profit margin ratio. Similarly, in order to ensure fairness and objectivity as well as authenticity in its assessment, the Research and Collation Subcommittee of the CWC sourced the required data from the annual reports of companies quoted and duly filed with the Nigerian Exchange Limited, NGX, and the NGX daily official list for the year under consideration. The report of the Research and Collation Subcommittee was reviewed, verified, and thereafter endorsed by the board's technical committee. I have the honor and privilege to inform you that having examined the reports of the R&C and endorsed by the technical committee, approved today by the board, the nominees, I'm pleased to announce, in line with our usual practice, on behalf of the Pearl Awards Board of Governors, the nominees for the 2022 Pearl Awards, in no particular order, as follows. For Sectoral Leadership Awards, Agriculture, the nominees are Livestock Feeds PLC, Okomu Oil Palm PLC, and Presco PLC. Conglomerates, Transnational Corporation PLC, UACN PLC, SCOA Nigeria PLC. Consumer Goods Household Products, PZ Cussons Nigeria PLC, Unilever Nigeria PLC, and Vitafoam Nigeria PLC. Consumer Goods Breweries, Nigerian Breweries PLC, Champion Breweries PLC, and Guinness Nigeria PLC. Consumer Goods, Food Products, and Beverages, Northern Nigeria Flour Mills PLC, Nestle Nigeria PLC, and Flour Mills PLC. Real Estate Investment Trust, SFS Real Estate Investment Trust, UH Real Estate Investment Trust, UPDC Real Estate Investment Trust. Financial Services, Banking, Zenith Bank PLC, Guarantee Trust Holdings Co. PLC, Fidelity Bank PLC. Financial Services, Insurance, Cornerstone Insurance PLC, Lasaco Assurance PLC, and NEM Insurance PLC. Financial Services, Other Financial Institutions, United Capital PLC, FBN Holdings PLC, Access Holdings PLC. Healthcare Pharmaceuticals, May and Baker PLC, Fitson Healthcare PLC, GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Nigeria PLC, Industrial Goods, Building Materials, CAP PLC, Dangote Cement PLC, Lafarge Africa PLC. Services, transport related, Nigerian Aviation Handling Co. PLC, Global Spectrum Energy Services PLC, Skyway Aviation Handling Co. PLC, ICT Computers and Services, NCR Nigeria PLC, Courtville Business Solutions PLC, CWG PLC, Oil and Gas, Petroleum Products, Corn Oil PLC, Total Energies Marketing Nigeria PLC, Seplat Energy PLC. Services, Printing and Publishing, Academy Press PLC, University Press PLC, Learn Africa PLC. Services, Hotels and Lodging, Tourist Company of Nigeria PLC, Ikeja Hotel PLC, and Transcorp Hotel PLC. In all, we have 16 sectors being competed for in the Sectoral Leadership Awards category. Nominees for the Market Excellence Awards category include the Highest Turnover Growth Award category, SCOA Nigeria PLC, Multiverse Mining and Exploration PLC, Abe Mortgage Bank Nigeria PLC. Ennis Yield, Highest Ennis Yield Award, United Capital PLC, Universal Insurance PLC, and Access Holdings PLC. Returns on Equity, Nestle Nigeria PLC, Presco Nigeria PLC, Learn Africa PLC, Highest Dividend Yield Award. United Capital PLC, Learn Africa PLC, and Wema Bank PLC. Highest Dividend Growth Award category, Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, Total Energies Marketing Nigeria PLC, and Wema Bank PLC. Highest Dividend Cover Award, Guinness Nigeria PLC, Transnational Corporation PLC, FBN Holdings PLC. Highest Net Asset Ratio Award, Total Energies Marketing Nigeria PLC, Seplat Energy PLC, SFS Real Estate Investment Trust PLC. Highest Profit Margin Ratio Award, UH Real Estate Investment Trust, SFS Real Estate Investment Trust, United Capital PLC. Highest Share Price Appreciation Award, Royal Exchange PLC, Morrison Industries PLC, and Lasaco Assurance PLC. In all, we have 9 awards in the Market Excellence category for the year. As in the past editions of the awards, the winning company for each of the awards for which the nominees have been announced above would be made known at the 2022 Awards Night event. Similarly, in line with our policy, the nominees as well as winners of the overall highest award, the Pearl of the Nigerian Capital Market, for this year will be announced at the Awards Night event. The 2022 Pearl Awards Night has been packaged to be a highly successful event in celebration of outstanding quoted and market player companies in Nigeria. Top capital market players, industry chieftains, as well as top government functionaries have been confirmed to grace this year's edition of the Pearl Awards Night.